Just tell me, students, what do you think? Can you guys make a guess which AI tool are we going to learn today? Everyone, any guesses, any ideas or something? I can give you a hint. It is something related to writing. I can do that much. Yes, everyone. Okay, I can see the chat. All right, students. Okay. You can see a lot of chats. Claude, make a story. Which website? Okay, we'll be learning today. Okay. Hi, everyone. This is me, Ria Kalra, and we are just start. This is me, Ria Kalra, AI instructor at Placy Technologies, and today we'll be learning about a new AI tool which is related to an academic research paper. How many of you are knowing about a research paper, by the way? पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ. Yes, everyone. Can you repeat? Okay. What is the meaning of a research paper? How many of you are aware about what a research paper is? Never you might have heard about research paper, guys. Research paper is nothing but an analysis of a study of the research which you are doing on any particular topic. Let me just share my screen with you all. Is my screen visible, guys? Yeah, students. Take care. Okay. This is how, see, a sample student research paper, it is there in a MLA format or something. The name is there, everything is there. The topic is traditional and alternative healthcare for the future. As a doctor's daughter, I learned early how conventional medicine works, etc., etc. Completely all the things are there, and the some jot points are there at the corner. Some references are there, and at the end, this is how. So this is how a research paper is written in a different format apart from articles or documents, and it is chosen for any public or global topic. Choosing a public or global topic, it simply gives you the elaboration about methodologies or something, and this is how it will be able to get it done or get it work. Yes, all of you. This is a proper format of writing a research paper. You must have an introduction, the background information. Suppose I am only writing a research paper about I am only writing a research paper about my AI students batch, 7 p.m. batch students I am writing. So I'll write the background information that I have these many girls, these many boys, and they were from this origin or that origin. Research problem will be that students do not turn their camera on. This is my problem statement. I'll give the solutions that they can fix their something. They can fix their cameras or systems or something. Significance is there. I will get to know that how many students are active or something or not, and how many are smiling or laughing or something. And the methodology is results, discussion, conclusion, and references. This is what a research paper format is there with us, and we are able to have it on with us throughout. Okay, I've shared with you all. ठीक है. So related to this only, the AI tool which we are going to learn is now anyone can guess any research paper AI tool. This is how we write an AI research papers. जहाँ पे पूरा study analysis होता है, where entire study analysis is given. That I have chosen this particular topic. My problem statement is there, my background information, my literature overview, and lot of everything is going to be there. बताओ भाई. Okay, so my screen is continue sharing, so I am going to get for that Genie AI. Everyone, Jenni AI. AI academic writer and research tool for students in academics, writing assistant that helps students, researchers, and academics create essays, papers, and citations with ease. What is the meaning of citations? Essays और papers का तो पता है. What is the meaning of citations, students? बताओ भी जल्दी जल्दी. I have not got even a single response. I am asking what is the meaning of citations, guys? What is the meaning of the citations? All right, maybe no one knows about. Citations means a study example. These research papers are kind of study examples which we are writing for explaining the analysis or the study or the research over a particular topic. That is the meaning of citation, and they are get published, tagging different authors, different people around the world that have mentioned themselves in such topics relatively. For researchers, it is there. Literature review generator is there. Paraphrasing tool is there. If you are not able to write the thoughts, then we can paraphrase it. Suppose I'm not getting a particular line to write about it. So it can give me the answer. Essay writer is also there. I can just simply write the essay. I'm starting it for free. Again, it will ask me for login, I guess. I've already logged in from my Gmail account. So logging, signing up is required. All right, students. So such interface opens up. Now, starting from the left, I'll click on my profile name. The name, it says settings or logout. And again, there is a limit. There are no credits or something, but there are limits already mentioned that how far we can use. The thing is, first is the upload limit. If I want to upload any document to it for editing or modifications, I will be having only 10 limits or 10 documents for now. And yes, all right. Yeah. This is how auto AI complete is asking again 10 times I can make it. 5 times I have AI editings, 5 times I have AI chats, and 3 times I can just review my document and make any modifications if I want. Now, next says click on new. Let's click on new. It says either you can start a conversation with an AI that you want or no, writing or something. So let's start upload to something and create new document. Suppose I am saying create a new document. I have clicked on it. This is how the interface opens up and says that um, it says fill document prompt. Now, fill document prompt means what? You will just have to give the prompt that I want a research paper on deforestation. Not deforestation. I want a research paper on AI is future. This is my prompt, and see at the bottom it is saying also average prompt, a good prompt, a poor prompt. If I'm just writing AI future, it is again a weak prompt. Add more context for higher quality generation. Of course, AI future, what it will understand. I am saying a research paper, I want a detailed research paper. Suppose if I'm refining my prompt, prompt is also highly important to write in a way to get good quality results. A detailed research paper on AI is future, along with its impact on people's lives. See, it says great prompt. Genie will reference this whenever generating the text because it is now clear that now it will include the things or the things which are there for people's life also. I am saying how AI is gonna impact our lives in the future. That is something really important to consider. So how AI is going to impact on people's life as well as how it is the future, it will include all the things because the prompt is super clear and elaborated in expressing that. So we have two options, okay? Now next is it is also given us the option that if you want, you can just import our own document. We can just upload our own document from the computer and the AI will be able to refine it or improvise it, whatever modifications are required, okay? So I'll do that. I don't want for now, skip. Citation settings, again, it comes when we need to go for publish or something. Citation style, I can choose. I want these are different styles that we are having our research paper to be read. Similarly, we have styles in the music or something, right? We have hip hop or pop music, soul, etc. This is how different styles are there in writing as well. How which format has to be chosen, how our research paper has to be written accordingly. It is giving us the options. If I click on show all the styles, it says lot many styles with us. ornithologia, paleontology, pharmaceutica, physicia, physiology, advanced science, aerosol, air quality, science and technology, whatever. Lot of things are there. I'll say just IEEE. This is one of the things to be chosen. And okay, fine. Now, generate headings. The third thing comes out to be generate headings. Whatever issues are there, we'll be discussing at the end here. Please turn on your cameras, everyone. Okay. Generate headings. Now it comes to generate the headings. Generate headings says standard headings, introduction, method, results, and your discussions, etc. Then we have smart headings. AI will generate the headings based upon a document prompt. Now our prompt is this, so automatically it will be generating according to this prompt, whatever headings will be suitable. And no headings, if you want no headings, only a blank document, you can go for it. This is how it will be generated as a document, a plain article or a plain document. I want smart headings, so I'll choose that and I'll click start writing. It will take time to process. And our the future of artificial intelligence and its societal impact. See everyone, this is how a very good title sheet has been originated. Or sir, don't think that this is only for research paper or something. I don't have researches or something for me in the school. It is beyond my level or something. You can create plain essays or plain what? Plain documents also, plain blank documents can be created or something. That's how. Now see, my autocomplete's reach is limited. It will be reset in 1 day, not 24 hours. I have to wait for resetting it 1 day. But for you guys, I guess it's open up. So if you just write 2 to 3 lines, and automatically the paragraph comes up ahead that you can continue completing the your paper or your something, and you can just click on accept. Once you click on accept, it will automatically give on you the suggestions to complete your article, sorry, your research paper. And see, everything is there. See, all relevant things are there. Abstract. A research paper is always having this abstract heading, which gives us an overview that what research paper is about to. And the autocomplete limit resets in 1 day. Whatever limit is reached, it get resets in Monday. Then we have introduction. Introduction includes the background, problem statement, significance, the structure of the paper, evolution of AI. Now the topic is about AI, so it will include every background in history, civics, everything about the AI, the developments, the year where the AI started initially and now AI is, and whatever the future transformations are required and everything. See, all the headings are to the perfect according to the research paper or the study analysis if anyone has to do about. This is how see everything. Conclusion, summary, implications and limitations and future. Okay. At the end, I can see references is there. Can anyone tell me what are the references for? What are the references for? What is the meaning of references? Just tell me that first. Everyone, where it got the info from, where it took the information from. Very good job, both of you. How about others? They have been referred to write an inspiration of something. Hmm, kind of, kind of true it is to say inspiration of something. What references AI took? I have 20 participants with me and I can only receive the answers from 10 to 12 students, hardly, maybe 5 to 6. What references the AI took? Okay, AI took. All right. Where it got the information from? Perfect. What about the rest? Tanmeet, Ayan, Mohammed, Kaustuv, Yuvraj, Arsh, Daksh, Adya Bhatt. We have Adya Bhatt also with us, I guess. And Sushrut, Adya, Daksh, Vishali, Arsh, iPhone. None of the cameras are on. Why, students? Cameras are not on. Apart from network issue or your camera glitches, I'm talking about for the others. Okay, no problem. So yeah, we have this references with us. Yes, it is something where we get the information from. Suppose on the same topic, the things which have been already mentioned or published over Google, the same articles or the same topic things over the internet by different authors, different writers. The similarly, we can just try catching some of the blogs or some of the past studies or some of the history facts about the topic, and we can get it from there. We can fetch the information from there, from the sources that have been already published over the internet. And yes, those are working as the references. Those are considered as references only because we have taken the reference from them, we have taken the help from them, the knowledge from them, the source which they have been included in their research study and etc things. So yes, that's again the information where we have got it from. That's fine, absolutely. My limit is over. It will take 1 day to reset. Okay. Again, if I come to the down, I can see its document. These documents have been already made by me just 1 hour ago. Yeah. We can add a picture as well. At the bottom, we can see lot of options we are having. Insert an image, insert a table, and we have insert code block and equation and math block, superscript, subscript, everything can be there. And this was how my uh, like document was there. Even if you want to add, you can just click on this add, it will be added. These arrow buttons are for sliding on and off as and you want to hide it all. Now you can just click on insert image and choose any of the image to add, and you can even delete the image also. Depends on what your topic is about. And yes, we can continue accordingly. This is how you can add the table also relevant if you want something that hello or date, name, batch, etc. Things we can do it. Research questions and whatever. These were my headings which I have asked at that time. I can even add a code block. Hmm. This is how a code block can be added. This is how an inline equation can be added like this. Autocomplete limit is not there, I know, but this is how we can go for it. This is my plain text. If I want any other programming language, if I want Python, suppose, so I can just write that print hello. I can write the code also, the coding languages that we have, and I can write like that, see, without any problem. Any other programming language also, I can write HTML, Docker file, etc. A lot of things we are getting because yes, in research paper, anything if you want, you can add according to your information, your research, whatever content you want to give to it, you can go for it. And this is how you can add. References are there along with their, research papers, year, published year as well. This is something important to mention at the end. At the end of research paper, this most important thing is references only to be added, and that makes it complete. Code blocks are there. Autocomplete, if you want, you can just off it from here. The toggle button is there. Undo, redo is there. Number of words are calculating. 273 words we are having in this. And yeah. If I come to the library now library says make AI suggest add your sources and let Jenny suggest the text and citations automatically. These are the some popular file formats we are having with us that we can upload, either PDF files. Zotero is also one such file format for academic research paper. Mendeley as well. DOI PMID link we can give it and we can import .bib, .bib, .ris file formats as well. Or even I can't scroll. I think web extension or web Chrome or something is there, so we can go for that as well. Again, at the top, we are having this upload button. I can click on upload and I will be able to get all the things. Yeah. Paste ID. If you want anyone's ID is there, so we can paste over it. We can paste it actually, and we can get it. Yep, this says paste ID. Click on paste ID. We have this digital object identifier. publish med identifier ISBN standard book number or any preprint URL. I can just click on it and I can add for any published book or citation or research paper from someone. And Mendeley, Zotero account, etc. These are the things which we can go ahead, and these are some acceptable file formats or options or methods provided by it to accept the research paper with us. Then we have AI chat. Again, AI chat opens up at the right side. Now I want my research paper to be to be creative and concise. I want some good points to be added. Okay, so I have given this prompt to my AI chat. Let me just ask if I want. Again, that works like same as a prompt as a chatbot. I can upload an image, I can upload any PDF, I can upload and manage my prompt. So I can do that as well. See if it's generating now. It will make my research paper a little concise as well as creative. See, creative, the catalyst, either evolutionary leap by changing some of the lines, some of the headings, making the content more creative or something like that. This is how we can done. See, Coda, symbiotic horizon, something new, innovative for the readers to read about, and whatever study, analysis, or research says. Silicon renaissance, friction in the machine, symbiotic trajectory, interaction, and labor. मतलब बहुत different innovative headings are there, different content will be there, references are different. So it has created ultimately, it has made it creative and actually innovative as per its things. And yeah, after AI chat at the end, we are having this web extension. If I just click on this Chrome web extension, how many of you know about web extensions? Fatafat say in the chat. Chrome extensions, web extensions, whatever. What is it exactly? It is a text you add at the back so server knows the type of file to open. Text. Like, okay. Everyone, look here. See. Extension means that something which is there additionally. If you all have the Chrome browsers, you all guys can observe that at the top you guys are having this kind of icon which shows you extension. Now extensions are something which you can directly download it, you can add it up, and you can use it whenever you want. If I even click on extensions, the Google is giving us a lot of extensions to add. Enable copy pasting. These extensions are something, even if some of the websites are not allowing you to copy and paste, you can copy and paste still from those websites. We have this. Check for emails. There is a checker plus for Gmails, whatever Gmails comes up or not. A lot of extensions are there like this, and we can click on simply add. If I want any of the extension to add, I'll click on add to Chrome, which is at the right already. It says add extension. Now, what if I've done add extension? It will be added completely, but it gets downloaded. Yeah. Jenni web importer has been added. Okay, I'll click on it and I can see that yes, it has been successfully added. I have three options over here. Options are remove from clone, manage extension, view web permissions, etc. If I want, I can simply remove from the Chrome as well. No problem. Arsh, iPhone is trying to do what on my screen, by the way? Thank you. Thanks for trying our extension. We'd love your feedback, etc. Whatever, and you can just simply submit it or whatever. This is how we can add extensions, and these extensions are basically a small computer programs only behind the back that are added, small files only which are added in a way that you can access them anytime with some of the web permissions out of them. So yes, it is giving us this option that you can add this AI tool directly as a web extension in your browser. Now, at the end, we are having this tutorials as well. What this tutorial says, tutorials means some of the help videos which are already uploaded by this Jenni AI to us, getting started, documented outlines, AI autocomplete, AI edit, citation and references, reference library, AI chat, collections and auto sites, smart citations, export and publish, real-time collaboration, etc. Everything, all the things, all the tutorials are there. Even if you're not trying to find anything, even if you're not knowing anything about, you can simply go to these tutorials and take the help from, right? All right. A small kind of a software program only, that's fine. Okay. Tutorials again, we are having some tutorials. If I next go for the help, then we have some help, send us a message or whatever, join us on Discord. Discord is also one such application to connect with various things. Shortcuts we are having, we can use some shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, alt plus something, so you can accept single words and autocomplete, markdown, or all these shortcuts are there. Keyboard shortcuts basically that we can use. Now, if I just go to my document, it says share. Review as well. If you want, you can just review your document before you publish. It says run review, check your writing, find missing, weak things, etc. And you can just run review. 7 sections are there. If you want to review, you can review it and it will be automatically giving us the suggestions because AI is there. Now, if I click on this share, I can see that anyone with the link, if I choose the access and I can just copy the link, I'll just share with everyone. You guys can be the editor of my page of my this research paper. Everyone can make some of the editings, adding some lines or something easily because you guys are having the access of my research paper and you guys are the editors as well. Whoever opens up the link, they are. I can see Diksha. You guys can write, edit, do whatever you want. Publish is again, if you want, you can just publish your document. Once you have published, it is open and global to everyone. Everyone can read it, see it, make the comments, and do whatever they want to. And again, make sure that you guys keep on clicking, checking the limits. My limit is only now AI charts is also done 2 out of 5 for me. AI edits and reviews are also left with some of the things. Yeah, Diksha is trying to make some editings. I can see Prachi, Kurpa, Kamat, etc. One by one, the Gmails are coming up because they are the editors, because the access has been given by me, by the author itself. All right, students, how do you find today's session? Was it helpful? Did you really learn something new, intellectual? Everyone in the chat, please. बताओ भाई सब लोग ठीक है बढ़िया ओके डाउट सेशन opens up doubt window opens up फटाफट से doubt everyone can get me the doubts with make sure that your doubts are not only particularly related to Jenni AI also if any other doubts are also there regarding today's session any other related to computer technology or something anything you want to share you want to tell you want to ask you guys can go ahead feel free to reach out without doubt window opens up everyone give your doubts one by one in the chat we have enough time. questions regarding them. I tried using Jenni AI and made a research paper, but it just gave the headings. No, it will be giving. You might have chosen something wrong. Prachi Ahuja, you can share your screen. Prachi Ahuja, your doubt can be resolved. You can just share your screen, please. I'm unable. As in, you are not allowed or you are unable? In what way you are unable to share your screen? Why? You guys can. You see, I have not restricted you to stop sharing your screen. It's just mute and unmute thing I have restricted you guys to. Mhm. Are we gonna make games? As in make games? Yeah, we do have some AI tools that are required for making small story creations or something. Ma'am, can people excel in their careers with AI if they're not familiar with coding? And also stuff like Java and Python are also not knowing how to build an AI tool. Definitely, they cannot excel. They can achieve at a good level of, they can go at the pinnacle of their success. They can be a top-notch people, but just consistency is required and their efforts are required. No matter you are from IT or you are from non-IT, data science, learning AI tools is not constrained, is not restricted to only engineers or to only science side people, okay? Make it very clear, students. Anyone can learn anything, no matter whatever background you guys are from. You can learn Python, Java, even I have like taught Python to a lot of students, those who don't have even coding in their school, but additionally they are learning. The Indian students also, the international students also, and currently they are able to make blast projects since I have taught them so far. And we have been consistent in with a curriculum of following Python as well as Java, as well as these AI tools, as well as a bit of machine learning and lot more things. So definitely, I know how to use Python. That's really good. Yeah, websites can also be made. We have the AI tool that is required for making automatic websites as well, students. Everyone. We have lot of thing, lot of that is there. We are having I'm sorry, what the website builders are their AI tools. Ma'am, can you give an example? How can they become successful, like in a situation, or like if you have a specific inspiration from someone who has done it? I have no doubt can I need the meeting because I have another class to attend. Sure, Ayan, you can. What, you want some successful stories or people's name or something, like what are you trying to ask? Yeah, definitely. Coding is required in the AI. If you're going for some coding, when you will switch from basic to intermediate or advanced level, there comes the depth analysis of coding, more of the basic tools which are required with a complete path of be an AI engineer or a data science engineer or ML engineer or something like that. Thank you, Ayan. Okay. Yeah, sure. If students do not have any doubt, the guys can leave. Students with the doubt can remain. Yeah, definitely. I have a lot of people with me that have become successful. Let me just share it. Yep, all right. Which is the easiest AI tool to learn? Every tool is the easiest, bro, Yuvraj. Every tool is the easiest. एवरी टूल इज द easiest. सबसे easiest तो कुछ भी मतलब चैट जीपीटी बोल दो सबसे easiest, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो बहुत easiest हो या बहुत tough है. Do you really think the tools which you have been learning so far are tough or something complicated? Every tool is easy to learn. Nothing is there. Complete instructions are there. You simply have to log in and you just go ahead with everything. That depends on your perception, on that depends on the context, whether it is you are going for audio making, video making, story making, writing, reading, or whatever. So making the website and games do need coding. For sure, Janil, they need coding. They need coding. No, I mean like how they did it and using what tool or they didn't see. There's a complete roadmap to follow anything, Diksha. If you are focused and clear that this is your aim, this is your goal, since I am clear that I want to be an instructor with the students, my goal is always to enhance my communication skills and to keep on gaining a lot of knowledge on regular basis so that I can share with you all, isn't it? So if you guys are clear with something that yes, I want to become this, I want to become that, or you have any inspiration or something, or you have any particular interest in the tech stack, you can go for it. There is a complete career preparation path and roadmaps are there. Proper curriculum has to be followed with consistency. That's it. बहुत simple होता है. This Python, Java, this is very much simple. Simplest things these are. If you guys want to learn, you guys can ask them to make you learn coding as well, or whatever another curriculums or courses if you guys want to poll for. Yes, sure, Rhea, you can write in the chat, please. They might have been consistent. The people those who are successful today, they have been consistent in learning, in using the AI tools, making implementation, making the projects, practicing. Kaustav, are we going to do Scratch for now? I don't think so. So we are going to do Scratch. The curriculum is basically on the AI tools or something priorly. And yes, gradually we'll be going ahead because the Scratch is again a block-based programming language. And if I come to programming languages, then the things go different. Yeah, we'll be not dealing with these AI tools which we are learning on regular basis, the different AI tools we are having ahead. So whatever such doubts if you guys are having, you guys can really go to your group and be very